2024 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP Engine Dynamics. The 2024 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP boasts a meticulously crafted engine derived from insights gathered from the HRC MotoGP program. With a peak power output of 160 kW at 14,000 RPM and peak torque of 113 Nm at 12,000 RPM, the engine promises exhilarating performance across the rev range. Notable upgrades include a higher compression ratio and revised valve timing, aimed at optimizing power delivery. Reduced friction is achieved through diamond-like carbon (DLC) coatings, enhancing engine efficiency. Advanced engine technologies. Innovative technologies such as the Semicam gear train system and forged Ti-64A titanium conrods contribute to the engine's lightweight construction and high-performance capabilities. The two-motor throttle-by-wire system ensures precise throttle control, while the Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) system offers refined grip management. These advancements elevate both the performance and rider experience of the Fireblade SP. Enhanced chassis dynamics. The diamond-style main frame of the Fireblade SP is meticulously engineered to achieve optimal rigidity balance and weight reduction. Öhlins suspension components and Brembo brakes further enhance the bike's handling and braking performance. With a focus on agility and stability, the chassis design ensures superior control and responsiveness on both road and track. Aerodynamic design and accessories. The Fireblade SP features an aggressive fairing design optimized for aerodynamic efficiency. Winglets and aerodynamic elements reduce drag and improve stability, enhancing performance under acceleration and braking. The bike comes equipped with a range of accessories, including racing and comfort packs, allowing riders to customize their experience according to their preferences and riding style. Price *** US MSRP price, $TBA USD. Canada MSRP price, $TBA CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, £23,499 on the road Inc. 20% VAT.
The 2024 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade. Elevating performance. The 2024 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade marks a significant leap in sport bike technology, designed to excel on both the track and the open road. With its array of upgrades, this model promises heightened performance and precision handling. Enhanced engine performance. Honda has redefined the Fireblade's power plant, focusing on mid-range power and throttle response. The Semicam gear train engine now delivers 160 kW of power at 14,000 RPM, coupled with a peak torque of 113 Nm at 12,000 RPM. Updates to valve timing, compression ratio, and internal components ensure a more dynamic riding experience across the rev range. Advanced electronics integration. The Fireblade incorporates cutting-edge electronic systems to optimize performance and safety. The two-motor throttle-by-wire system offers precise throttle control and enhanced engine braking. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, has been refined for smoother intervention, while customizable riding modes allow riders to tailor power delivery and traction control to their preferences. Upgraded chassis dynamics. A revised aluminum frame and swing arm provide a more responsive and agile platform, optimized for both track performance and road comfort. The Öhlins Smart Electronic suspension system offers refined damping control, while Brembo Stylema R brakes ensure consistent stopping power under extreme conditions. Aerodynamic efficiency. The Fireblade sleek fairing design, inspired by MotoGP aerodynamics, features repositioned winglets for improved downforce and stability. Redesigned fairings and lower fairing structures enhance high-speed agility and cornering stability, while reducing drag and wind resistance. Intuitive control and convenience. A fully customizable 5-inch TFT display offers intuitive control of the bike systems, with a 4-way switch for easy navigation. Honda's Smart Key system provides convenient ignition and handlebar lock operation. The Emergency Stop Signal (ESS) feature enhances visibility and safety during sudden braking maneuvers. Price. US MSRP price, $TBA USD. Canada MSRP price, $TBA CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, £23,499 on the road Inc. 20% VAT.
The Honda CBR1000RR, revered for its exceptional racing pedigree, dominated the FIM World Supersport Championship from 2003 to 2008 and continued to achieve victories in 2010, 2012, and 2014. Additionally, it won the Asia Road Racing Championship from 2012 to 2016 and the All Japan Road Race Championship ST600 class numerous times. This model's engine also powered Moto2 races between 2010 and 2018. Despite being withdrawn from Honda's European showrooms in 2017 due to a market shift towards naked and adventure bikes, the CBR1000RR has returned as the middleweight sports category saw a resurgence. The latest Honda CBR1000RR brings back the pure essence of road-legal sports bikes to Europe, integrating cutting-edge MotoGP-inspired electronics and aerodynamics. This reintroduction features a free-revving 4-cylinder engine, offering a unique riding experience on both open roads and closed circuits. Model overview. The Honda CBR1000RR returns to Europe with a 599 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder engine delivering 89 kilowatts at 14,250 RPM and 63 Nm of torque at 11,500 RPM. It includes an assist/slipper clutch and a standard fit quickshifter. The advanced electronics package, derived from the RC213 VKS and CBR1000RR-R Fireblade, incorporates throttle-by-wire control, a 9-level Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), wheelie control, and rear lift control, all managed by a 6-axis inertial measurement unit (IMU). The IMU also oversees the cornering ABS. Riders can choose from 3 default riding modes and 2 customizable user modes to adjust power, engine braking, and other parameters. The chassis features a twin-spar aluminum frame, an aluminum swing arm, 41mm Showa big piston USD front forks, and a unit ProLink Showa rear shock, complemented by 4-piston radial mount front calipers for robust braking. The Honda Electronic Steering Damper (HESD) enhances stability. The bike is equipped with a full-color TFT screen, which includes street, circuit, and mechanic modes, a shift-up indicator, and a lap timer. Available in matte ballistic black metallic and Grand Prix red HRC tricolor, the CBR1000RR embodies Honda's racing heritage. Key features: engine and performance. The CBR1000RR's 599 cubic centimeters, 16-valve inline 4-cylinder engine, producing 89 kilowatts and 63 newton-meters of torque, has undergone significant development for high RPM performance and durability. It features upgraded camshafts, valve springs, and crankshaft materials. The engine's bore and stroke are set at 67 mm x 42.5 mm with a compression ratio of 12.2 to 1. Enhanced intake, combustion, and exhaust systems include a 44 mm throttle body, reshaped inlet ports, and optimized valve timing. The 4-2-1 exhaust system with large bore diameters aids high RPM gas flow, while the assist/slipper clutch manages rear wheel hop during rapid downshifts and hard braking. Electronics and riding modes. The throttle-by-wire (TBW) system, developed from the RC213VS, offers precise throttle control. The 9-level Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) smoothly manages grip, while 3 default riding modes and 2 customizable user modes allow adjustments to power, engine braking, and wheelie control. The standard fit quickshifter enables fast, smooth gear changes with 3 levels of adjustment. Chassis and suspension. The bike's chassis features a hollow, die-cast twin-spar aluminum frame with a 1,370mm wheelbase, 24°06 brake, and 100mm trail. The 41mm show a big piston USD forks and fully adjustable show a rear shock ensure high-quality suspension reaction and control. The braking system includes dual radial mount 4-piston calipers and 310mm floating discs up front, with a single piston caliper and 220mm disc at the rear. The Honda Electronic Steering Damper (HESD) adjusts damping force relative to speed for optimal stability. Styling and accessories. The Honda CBR1000RR's aerodynamic design, featuring winglets for enhanced stability and cornering performance, achieves the lowest drag coefficient in its class. The sharp, compact LED headlights and indicators, along with a lower fuel tank cover, improve aerodynamics and rider position. The bike's full-color TFT screen offers multiple display modes, including lap timing features. Honda's emergency stop signal (ESS) and ignition security system (HISS) enhance safety and security. Available accessory packs include the Racing Pack, with items like an HRC logoed oil filler cap and carbon look tank pad, and the Comfort Pack, featuring a rear seat bag, heated grips, and a USB-C charging socket. Price. The price of the 2024 Honda CBR1000RR varies by region and dealer, but it typically starts around $13,000, reflecting its advanced features and racing pedigree. Check with local dealers for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing information. The Honda CBR1000RR's return to Europe brings a blend of historical racing success, advanced technology, and refined performance, making it a standout in the middleweight sports category. The 2024 Honda CBR1000R blends sportiness and practicality, making it perfect for young riders upgrading from smaller bikes. Since its 2013 debut alongside the naked CB500F, now CB500 Hornet, and adventure-styled CB500X, now NX500, the CBR1000R has injected genuine sporting energy into Honda's twin-cylinder, light middleweight category. Its low running costs make it suitable for both commuting and weekend adventures. The 2024 model brings significant upgrades, enhancing its appeal and performance. Design and styling. The 2024 CBR1000R features Fireblade-inspired styling with new headlight and taillight designs, revised bodywork with winglets for improved front-end feel, and updated graphics and colors. The new 5-inch full-color TFT screen, operated by easy-to-use backlit switchgear, serves as the interface for the Honda RoadSync connectivity system. This system allows riders to use navigation and other smartphone functions directly from the bike's display. Performance and engine. The bike's 471 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, now equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), provides 35 kilowatts of power and 43 Newton meters of torque. The new PGMFI settings improve low RPM acceleration, enhancing power delivery across the rev range. The engine updates, combined with an assist/slipper clutch, ensure smoother upshifts and better rear wheel management during downshifts. The CBR1000R's exhaust system delivers a sporty sound, emphasizing its performance capabilities. Chassis and suspension. The 2024 CBR1000R retains its high-quality Showa 41mm SFFBP USD forks and dual radial mount calipers, offering excellent handling and braking performance. The bike's lightweight wheels and swing arm contribute to its nimble responsiveness. The seat height is a manageable 785mm, making the bike accessible to riders of various heights. With a fuel tank capacity of 17.1 L and a fuel economy of 3.5 L/100 km, the CBR1000R offers a range of over 485 km, ideal for long rides. Technology and features. Honda RoadSync connectivity allows riders to use their smartphones for navigation and other functions through the new TFT screen. The simplified left-hand switchgear is backlit for nighttime use. The aggressive new bodywork, inspired by the Fireblade, includes aerodynamic winglets that improve steering and feedback. New dual LED headlights provide better visibility at night, enhancing safety. Accessories and customization. Honda offers various accessories for the CBR1000R to enhance its functionality and style. The racing pack includes a seat cowl, wool stripes, tank pad, and smoke screen. The Comfort Pack features heated grips, an ACC socket, a 3L tank bag, and a rain cover. These accessories can be purchased individually or as part of the packs. Price and availability. The 2024 Honda CBR1000R will be available in Grand Prix Red, Tricolor, and Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic. While the US and Canadian prices are yet to be announced, the bike is priced at £6,699 in the UK. With its comprehensive updates and enhancements, the 2024 CBR1000R continues to offer a compelling combination of performance, style, and practicality, making it a desirable choice for both new and experienced riders.